question of the day? The question of the day is, in which quadrant would the graph of -5, -4 be found? Is it quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, or 4? Well, whenever you've been given a point and you've been asked that in which quadrant would that be found on the graph, right? This is how you should do it. First, you need to know this. That when you have a graph like that, right? Of course, this is your y and this is your x, right? Now, this side is positive side. This side is negative side. Coming down is negative side. Going up is positive. So this basic stuff you have to remember. So again, this side is your y, that is your x. Right side positive, left side is negative. Down is negative, up is positive. Now, with the quadrants, if they ask you of quadrants, right, which quadrant? That is why you have to know this. That when you have a graph like this, right, this is your first quadrant. So quad 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So then, if they give you a point and they ask you that which quadrant can that be found? All you're doing is you have to locate where the point is going to be. So this is -5 and -4, right? X, Y. So on the X, you got -5. So it's negative side on the X. Negative side is right here, right? And the Y is negative. So you go down to the negative side, right? So that means the -5, -4. Let's say it's somewhere here, right? Which quadrant is it at? Quad 3. That is why you're going to say the answer is quad 3. And that's it. So it's very important you know how the graph works. This is my y, this is my x. This side is positive, negative, positive, negative. The quadrants is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever point it is, try to find where would that point be at. In this case, -5, -4. So -5, -4 will be around here. And which quadrant is it at? Quadrant 3. So that's why we say quadrant 3. So please make sure you go over this, because it's very important. That will really help you be able to know how to do these type of questions, okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.